Yeah, mid. Parked up. There's Blencathra. We need to be heading over there. We're going to come over sharp edge, back over, round to the bottom. Parked at Scramble today. Probably should have parked at Scales, but we'll see if it makes a difference. We just got a bit of a walk in. It should be pretty good. What a day. Blue skies, you got to get out, man. Oh, it's bloody lovely. What a day. Hell yeah. We're going up there. Right, before we start, may as well show you what I'm using today. Got my waterproof equipment, and then just a 20 litre bag. Got some water, food, you know, the normal stuff. The TX4s, a bit muddy. I have just been through a bog, but that's all you need at the minute. Never done the route, but I've done scrambles before, and I know it's a grade one, so should be pretty chilled, Started the climb. A lovely little waterfall. There we go. I'm going to traverse along quite a bit over to Scales and then go up from there. And then we'll probably end up coming down this way. Right, we're nearly at Scales town. I've hiked up from Scales over to Scales, and then Scales up to Scales town. What a day. That's what we're going up. All the way along to the top there. So you can't even start it from down there. Well, hour and a half in, we've been speed walking, and yeah, basically there now. Just need to get down there and up. We're at the bottom. Let's get it. It's quite hard to put it in my mouth at the same time as walking and breathe. Let me catch my breath back. pretty sick. Good scramble up, it's just well chossy, which isn't ideal. Following this gate up. Sorry mate.
Alright.
Just getting into a bit of a rhythm.
Yeah.
That's alright. Just having to catch my breath. Yeah, there's a bit of exposure to it. It's awesome though, the views are unreal today, aren't they? Yeah, it's bloody lovely. And I'm trying to do this GoPro thing in my mouth.
I've no idea how you do that.
It's not fun. Trying to breathe is horrible.
Yeah. Every breath tastes of plastic.
Yeah. And a bit of rubber.
Yeah.
That's sick though. Gets you warmed up and then you get into the proper stuff.
Yep.
Yeah, right. Oh. I'm dying. Hell yeah. And there's Blencathra. So we're on Atkinson's Pike, I think. Then over to Blencathra. I think we got another 1 or 2. And down to Thrallkell to the car. Right, that's Sharp Edge done. We're gonna head and do Blencathra now. Don't know how much I'll record, I'm running out of storage. But we're at the top of Atkinson's. And there's Sharp Edge. Pretty good, would recommend, but I've been talking to other people and even they agree, they can see why people fall off that. If you do take the wrong line, it can get a bit nasty. But for a grade 1 scramble, that's phenomenal, really fun. Would recommend, and it was perfect conditions.